Welcome! This is My Boat and My Life. In this episode I have a great camera angle of me docking at my home port, so follow along. It has been a really hot weekend and I woke up to this swim run. Now it's time to go. First I pull out 60 centimeters on each line. That makes it more easy to lose the bowline knot I have around the tree up there. It's nice and easy to pull in the anchor with the stern anchor windlass. And like this, we were on the way home. It's Sunday and I have to work tomorrow. If I could choose, I have stayed for one more day or two. We put the camera here so you can see what I'm doing. We have easterly wind here, so we're going with the wind, and I will prepare the boat out here because the boat is drifting and it's close to other boats when I get in the marina. means that the boat going to blow away from the dock I'm docking at. So I have to run down pretty fast from the helm down to the dock to connect all the lines before the boat has blown away from the dock. My plan is to go straight against the dock and turn at the last moment. That way I have lots of kinetic energy helping me. Port engine in forward and starboard in reverse. Then I use the throttles to balance the boat, so the boat doesn't go too much forward or too much reverse. Then I do the opposite, port in reverse and starboard in forward. This I do so I not slam into the dock too fast with too much momentum, and it also helps the bow stay against the dock. In windy condition like this, I even use the bow thruster so the wind doesn't blow away the bow. The stern I move with the engines. Tell me in the comments if I should show you my trip to Croatia next week. Here is some fast clips. And Lagoon 42 were our home for 7 days. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.